So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this particular video, we'll be learning about a must-know numbers for guesstimates. In order to solve some guesstimates, we need to know some numbers, some must-know numbers, right? In the previous video, we have learned about what are guesstimates as well as types of guesstimates. In this video, we will be learning about must-know numbers, which are required to solve the guesstimate problems, which are bag, right? So yeah, let's see. Why know these numbers in guesstimates? 1 minute, guys. In guesstimates or case interviews, these base numbers help you think fast, calculate smart, as well as impress with logic. So basically, if we have this number now, we will be thinking fastly, as well as we will be thinking in the logical way, structured way, right? We will be calculating maths in a faster way. So first one is global must know numbers. So like global statistic, like I have taken two things, guys. One is global numbers, global must know numbers. That is nothing but total world cup must know numbers as well as India's must know numbers. करके. So first one is global must know numbers, must know numbers. That is nothing but world must know numbers. Population. World population is 8 billion. Approximately 8 billion. You don't need to know exact number. Approximately is enough. Approximate numbers are enough, right? So world population is around 8 billion. So that is one of the number you need to memorize and you need to, what you can say, you need to remember. Working population is 60% of the 8 billion, that is 4.8 billion. So non-working population will be my 40% approximately. So it will be around 3.2 billion. Internet users globally, so around 5.3 billion approximately. So this wave symbol is there, right? A wave line, that is nothing but the symbol for approximate. So approximately around 5.3 billion, that is nothing but internet users globally. Globally, internet users are around 5.3 billion. Next, smartphone users are around approximately 6.5 billion. And top three populated countries, India with approximately 1.4 billion, that is nothing but 140 crores. China 1.4 billion. So basically India and China has approximately same number of population, as well as USA is around 330 million, approximately 330 million population, like around 30 crores I think so. Yeah. So yeah, next to global economic stats. So global GDP according to 2023 is 100 million, 100 more, not 100 million, 100 trillion dollars approximately. So top GDP countries, USA has a 26 trillion, 26 trillion dollars approximately. China with 17 trillion dollars approximately, and India with 3.7 trillion approximately. These are the top GDPs, guys. GDPs of separate individual countries, right? Global GDP is 100 million, 100 trillion, sorry, million I'm saying, but global GDP is 100 trillion dollars approximately. USS is 26, China's is 7, and in India's is 3.7 approximately. Average global income is $12,000 per year is the average global income. Like next, let us go to global digital and retail. So, e-commerce market size is $6 trillion approximately. YouTube users $2.7 billion approximately. Global airline passengers per year 4.5 billion approximately, as well as cars globally 1.5 billion approximately. Now let us come to India specific must know numbers. So now let us come to Indian specific must know numbers, guys. Previously we have learned about global specific must know numbers, right? World specific must know numbers. Now we will be learning about Indian specific, only India related numbers, must know numbers, right? So the total population is 1.42 billion as per 2024, approximately 1.42 billion. You don't need to take exact number. You can take it as 1.4 billion to the difference can be like 5 to 6%. There is no problem. But if the difference is more than 20%, then the interviewer will be saying it's wrong. करके. So basically, you can take approximate values, guys. Don't need to explicitly take exact values and all these things. Next, the urban population is approximately 35%. That is nothing but approximately 50 crores. Rural population is approximately 65%. That is nothing but approximately 90 crores, right? Don't need to take exact values. We can take round figures and all those things in order to make our calculations easy while doing estimates. Households, approximately 28 to 30 crores. Average family size is approximately 4.5 to 5 members. So last is the youth population, the age between 15 to 35, right? 15 also includes as well as 35 also includes, and approximately it is 45%. So youth is more in our country and they are the backbone of our country, right? So yeah, this is about population and demographics. Let's see employment and income. Working population is around 50 crores. That is nothing but 35%, right? 35% approximately. Formal salaried workforce is approximately 10 to 15 crores. Other people will be coming under informal or self-employed. Next, average middle class income is 3 to 20 lakh per year. So average middle class income will be varying 3 to 20 lakh per year, but somewhere between 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, right? So daily wage worker averages approximately 300 to 500 per day. So these are the employment and income related statistics, must know numbers, right? Next, tech and internet. Smartphone users in India are approximately 75 to 80 crores. So out of 1.4 billion, 140 crores, like around 60 to 70% are 60 to 70%, not 1.4. Yeah, it's around 55 to 60% are smartphone users, right? Other does not use smartphones. Next, internet users, they are around 85 to, I think it is wrong. It will be also like between 60 to 70 crores. This may be wrong, right? So yeah, internet users will be like around 50 to 70, 50 to 70 crores approximately, right? So yeah, social media users will be approximately 50 crores. Okay. And the digital payment users, that is nothing but UPI, phone pay, Google Pay, वो सब है ना, Bharat Pay and all Amazon Pay. So they will be like around 40 crore people, or around 40 crore of population of Indian population will be using the digital payments. So around 40 crore, approximately 40 crore plus. So this is the tech and internet. Now let's come to consumption and lifestyle. Vehicles. So basically there are 20 crore bikes in India, right? So approximately 1.4 billion माने तो 140 crores. 140 crores में 20 crores माने तो 140, 1.4, somewhere between 10 to 12%, 14% something. भाई. So cars are around 4 crores out of 140 crores population, right? Next, restaurant visits average per person. So an average person will be visiting restaurants like 2 to 4 times in a month. Next, online orders per day, right? So nowadays Swiggy and Zomato are trending, right? Like from last 5 to 6 years. So yeah, online orders per day. So basically there will be 2 to 3 crores online orders per day, approximately 2 to 3 crores. So approximately 2 to 2.5 crores. You can select that. OTT subscribers. There are around approximately 12 to 15 crores of OTT subscribers. Next, air passengers per year, around 15 crores, approximately 15 crores. School students are approximately 25 crores, as well as college students are approximately 4 crores. So this is about consumption and lifestyle of Indian population. Next, sectors and infra. So startups are approximately 1.2 lakh startups are there in India, right? Hospitals are approximately 70,000 hospitals. So they don't need to be exact number, guys. There may be like 70,484 hospitals. We don't need to know exact number, right? We just need to know approximate number so that we can solve the maths, so that we can solve the guesstimates easily. We can calculate the maths in the guesstimates easily. So next is banks, guys. Banks, along with branches, like there will be various branches for each and every bank, right? SBI has some branches, ICICI has some branches. So basically, along with the branches, there are around 1.5 lakh banks in India, right? Next, ATMs in India are around 2.5 lakhs. Next to supermarkets and retail stores, around 1.2 crores. That is nothing but DMart and all these stores, the DMart and all these stores, as well as some Kiranam stores. The retail stores near our house there will be, right. So around 1.2 retail as well as supermarket stores, right? Around 1.2 crores. Next, total mobile towers. So around 8 to 9 lakhs, right? So these are approximate figures, guys. These are approximated numbers and not exact numbers. And we just need to know approximate numbers. Don't need to know explicitly, don't need to know these exact numbers. If you know approximate numbers, we can solve the guesstimate problems. So this is all about Indian and global must know numbers, guys. Let's see some pro tips. Round of the numbers for speed. So basically, if the Indian population is 145 or 142 crores, you can round up it to 140 crores. If the car users are around 50, I'm just taking an example. If the total world population is around 8.3 billion, you can round up it to 8 billion or 8.5 billion, so that it will be easy for you for calculation, right? You will be rounding up basically. Memorize India's population, households, smartphones, and income groups. For global, stick to big buckets like 8 billion population, 100 trillion GDP, and etc. So basically, you have to do round up. Those are the tips. In the next video, we will be learning about some more about guesstimates. Bye, yes.